Hi students! If you are still really confused, this is a great video for you to watch. If you're like, I know what I'm doing, I know how to write this paragraph, then you can just get to work and you can disregard this. But if you're stuck, I'm going to help you a little bit more here. So first, right below, you'll notice I've copy and pasted some information. We're going to use this to start our paragraph. So what I've actually done is I've copied and pasted a topic sentence you can use. The theme of the poem is that hope exists even when we are scared. And I've copy and pasted my first piece of context. Dr. Elizabeth Mitchell wrote this poem recently in between shifts in the emergency room where she was treating COVID-19 patients. She felt very scared with the current health crisis. Okay, so now I've left you each of the steps of the professional paragraph, and you just need to fill it in. So when you find your evidence, you're just going to delete this and put in your evidence. The daffodil, ... right? And then when you're ready to explain this, you would just delete this and write, this phrase suggests ... So you kind of just go through and delete these words and put in what you're supposed to put in for each part, whether that's evidence or conclusion, explanation, whatever here. I've done the context for you and I've done the topic sentence for you. Now, one of the most important things, two things that are really important. First, remember to use this example paragraph as a guide. If you need to borrow from it, that's okay. But also, and most importantly, make sure you're using your professional paragraph handouts. When you click on this link, you're going to be taken here. This will help you so much. So make sure as you're writing, you're doing that. If you're completely stuck, remember, you can use this as your paragraph. I've done the first part, the topic, sentence, and context, right? Now we know we have evidence, explanation. Then we go back and do context, evidence, explanation again, and conclusion. If you look here, evidence, explanation, context, evidence, explanation, and then conclusion. If you still need help, that's okay. Just reach out to me and I'm happy to help you. Take care.